Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the UBL Digital App. First, you will need to download the official UBL Digital App from your smartphone's App Store, whether it is the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the application and look for the Register or Sign Up button typically found on the login screen. Tap this to begin your registration journey. Next, you will need to provide some essential personal and account information. Carefully enter your 13-digit CNIC number and your correct date of birth. You will also need to input either your UBL account number or your debit card details, including the full card number, its expiry date, and your 4-digit ATM PIN. Please ensure your mobile number is registered with UBL and active. After submitting your details, UBL will send a 6-digit one-time password, or OTP, to your registered mobile number for verification. Enter this code into the app. Then, you will create your unique username, which should be between 5 and 25 characters. Following this, set a strong password, typically 8 to 16 characters long, incorporating both letters and numbers for enhanced security. Finally, you can enhance your account security by setting up 3 security questions. For added convenience, enable biometric login, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, allowing for quick and secure access. Once these steps are complete, confirm your registration. You are now ready to explore the UBL Digital App's extensive features, managing your finances with ease and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.